Come on here. Today's new algebraic identity is a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. This is our algebraic identity, today's identity. Today we are going to expand 5x minus 2 whole cube. I have to expand it. What is a? A is very clear, 5x. I have written here. What is b? B is here 2. B is 2. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, what is 5 cube? Is 125 x cube. Getting? Minus is minus, 2 cube is what? 8. Now see, 3 5 is 15, 15 to the 30, 30 into x is 30x. This is your 5x minus 2. Now what is the last step? 125x cube minus 8. 35s are 150x, पर x into x is x square, minus and minus plus, 30 to the 60x. This is your one more we are going to see. Same a minus b whole cube, we have to expand it. What is a? A is 3x upon 5, b is your 4, a and b is written here. What will be our identity? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, 3 cube is 27, x cube is x cube, and 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is this, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 36 upon 5. This is as it is. Now come on. This is 27x cube upon 125 minus 64. 36 3s are 108. X into x is x square. 5 into 5 is 25. Minus minus plus. 36 4s are 144. X upon 5. This is your answer. Come on to the next question. Come on now. We have to find the value of 48 power 3 with help of algebraic identities. Okay, which identity we will use here? A minus b whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Just to see what is a. Here is 48 power 3, no? What can I write? 48? Easily 50 minus 2. Getting? So what is a? A is your 50. What is b? B will be 2. Put these two values here and in identity a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. This is 50 power 3. This is 1, 2, 5, 3 zeros. 2 power 3 is your 8. 150, 53 are 150, 2 are 300 into 48. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 3 zeros minus 8. 48 3s are 144 and 2 zeros are there. Okay, then what will come? 1, 2, 5, 3 zeros minus 14408. Okay, 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 is 1. So 110,592. This is your answer. One more we are doing now. See, 93 is there. So I can write 100 minus 7. Power 3. What is A? A is your 100. What is B? B will be 7. What is identity again? A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. A put 100. B is your 7 minus 3. 100 into 7, then 100 minus 7. 100 power 3 is this. 7 power 3 is this. 343. 7 3 is 21. 100 minus 7 is 93. So So 93 into 21. You have to multiply by Vedic multiplication. Just you see, is 3. 9 and 6, 15. 5, 1. 9 2s are 18. So what will come? 1953. And 2 zeros also will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 343 and 1953 and 2 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 195. 643 will be here. Okay, when you subtract it, you will get the answer. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. And this is over. This is the thing. By this way you can get the cubic. Whenever number is given like in a cube, you can get easily evaluated. Now come on the next question. Come on, we have to factorize now. See, this is cubic factorization. See here, I am using, this is cubic term, this is also cubic term. Come on, see here, this is a cube. Like I can convert in, this is 2a power 3. This will be 8a cube, this is b. And what is common in these two? This is 6a is a and b is common. Okay, 6 2s are 12 minus b will come. Getting? Now see, I am converting in standard form. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. See, what is a is 2a, b is b, then 2a minus b. Okay, this 2a will come here and this b will come here. Now this is in standard form. When you multiply 6ab, 6ab is here. Okay, this will be a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube means a to a minus b whole power 3. I can convert in product form also. This is 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. This is your answer. One more question we are doing. See, factorize 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay, you see clearly these two terms are cubic terms, so convert in this like a perfect cube. This is 3 and this is 5a. And what is the HCF of these two? What is common term? Okay, what I can take common from it? From 135 and 225. With help of HCF I can take out 5 very easily. Its HCF is coming 45. So minus 45 and a is their factor a. Okay, 45 3s are. And then minus empty because minus sign is outside and in between also minus will come. Okay, then this will be 5a. Getting? Then can I convert in standard form? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. If I put 3 here and 5a here, okay, then you see 45a is coming or not. 5 3 are 15, 15 3 are 45a. That's all. So what is the meaning? I can get factors directly a minus b whole cube. What is 3 minus 5a whole cube? So I can write in product form also. These are the factors of product of this. Okay, this is your answer.